Hola! Hi guys, welcome. My name is Esmeralda. Some of you may know me as the feisty vegan Latin babe. Well, I'm here, and today I'm going to teach you how to make raw vegan tacos. That's right, you heard that. Raw vegan tacos. They're gonna be bomb. So, super simple. We're gonna do this making the meat with raw soaked walnuts. So about a cup. I soaked my nuts. You can soak your nuts as well overnight. Yeah, I said that. 7 hours overnight soaked in water. About a half a cup of sun-dried tomatoes. Now the sun-dried tomatoes, I added a little bit of black truffle olive oil for taste and texture. You can choose to use 3 or 4 tablespoons of sunflower seeds. And here are the spices. It's about half of a teaspoon, so the little one, half a teaspoon garlic powder, cumin, paprika. I didn't say that right. Paprika. No, wait, how does this? We have paprika, we have paprika, cayenne, sea salt, and then 2 cloves of garlic minced up. But there you have it. So we're gonna blend all of this together using half of a lemon, mix it in the Vitamix. We're not gonna blend, we're gonna pulse about 15 times, and that's gonna give us our raw taco meat. It won't taste the same if you don't soak them overnight. Sun-dried tomatoes, sunflower seeds, all of our spices, and make it super yummy. Take our lemon presser. You don't want it any more liquidy than this, because then you'll lose the consistency of the meat. So you want to make sure you have it on the pulse setting, and we'll begin to pulse. So pulsing is always going to take a while, but you want to be very proactive in making sure that the consistency is right. So definitely don't blend. And as you guys can see, the consistency here is going to be a little on the chunky side. So you want to make sure that it's not completely liquefied. So we got really almost like a ground beef kind of texture. This is going to be the base of our taco. We're gonna load it up with guacamole that's already fresh made. And then what really gives it the taste and flavor and that kick is going to be the cashew nacho cheese. 1.5 cups of soaked cashews. These were soaked for 6 hours overnight. If you soak them, it gives it a really creamy, cheesy texture. If you don't soak them, it's going to be an absolute disaster. So please soak your nuts. All right, once you got your cashews in, a whole 1/2 cup of nutritional yeast. And if you guys don't know about nutritional yeast, you're absolutely missing out. This is my absolute favorite thing as a vegan, better known as vegan crack powder. So you got B vitamin 12, you got folic acid. It's gonna give you a lot of energy, as well as the essential bacteria that your gut needs. But on top of that, it makes the cheese really creamy and just amazing. So we're gonna use nutritional yeast, and we got 4 spices over here. Again, 1/2 teaspoon of chili powder, cumin, garlic powder, and sea salt. And lastly, we are going to use 1 serrano chili. Our spices are gonna go in, and then we are using 1/2 cup of filtered water. Again, try not to spill. All right, that looks absolutely disgusting, but it's gonna be amazing. So now we have our cashew jalapeno cheese. Look at that, how amazing does that look? These are organic lettuce leaves. You can use tortillas if you'd rather do that. So we're gonna put our meat on our tortillas here. See the consistency of that? You want it, again, it wants to be a little on the chunky side. I like to top it off with fresh homemade guacamole. Absolutely awesome. So in the guacamole we have tomatoes, garlic, onion, lime, and a little bit of cilantro and salt for taste. And then we're gonna put some fresh tomatoes, more texture and flavor than anything. And the last but not least, actually favorite part, is going to be the nacho cheese, nacho cashew jalapeno cheese going on top. There you go, guys. Voila. So there we have it, ladies and gentlemen, our beautiful and delicious raw vegan tacos. Get a look at that. But the proof is always in the pudding, so I'm going to have one of my really good friends who happens to be a vegan bodybuilder come and try them out and see what he thinks. There's really no perfect way to eat these. They get messy. It is a hand food. You just gotta get in there. There you have it, guys. You can look like this, still have amazing, delicious vegan food, homemade. Doesn't take that long. Hope you enjoyed, and more to come.